Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. In point of fact, it would not have helped Tamil Nadu because of various circumstances and the priorities of movement, which is an obligation that is laid on me as Commerce and Industry Minister. We were able to indicate to the railway administration that since the dhotis and saris were available in plenty in South India, the priority need not be given for mill made dhotis and saris from Bombay and Ahmedabad. It must be conceded that the reservation artificially effected by means of utilization or a correct utilization of priorities have given Tamil Nadu an advantage for above the reservation that we have achieved by laying an embargo on mills that they should not produce more than 60% of dhotis they produced in the past. So the picture is not all the same everywhere. What is good for Tamil Nadu is not good for UP, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Rajasthan, and Punjab. The next result of our restricting production of dhotis by mills in the initial stages had resulted in the prices of dhotis going up because in many areas the handloom industry did not produce dhotis. Actually, before 1950, UP had no looms producing wide width dhotis and sari, and it was in 1950 that the UP government financed about 10 looms for producing wide width dhotis and saris because they were in salt supply in 1950. It would not be right for the honorable members to say in these circumstances that all that we have done is an eyewash, that we are cheating somebody, that the mills are cheating us, and that we are cheating the members of the parliament and the public. Maybe some cheating does take place. After all, if cheating does not take place, there will not be section 42 in the IPC. That is why we have provision in the penal code. Sir, the position today in regard to the handlooms all over has slightly changed. I must say this, that I am not really boosting, I am only doing my duty. What is my duty as a member of the cabinet which has been put in power by the Congress party, that if there is any item in the hundreds of items which are Commerce and Industry Ministry is responsible for, to which I devote personal attention, I should say it is the handloom industry. Sir, my honorable colleague knows we have hardly any difference of opinion. I and my college, the finance minister, have hardly any difference of opinion in any matter. Stop.